We're standing here tonight on the Route 9 in Tom's River, right off the 70, by the shopping mall, The Row, by the brand new store, MB Vineyards. Now we all know MB Vineyards from Brooklyn, Nostrand Avenue and Avenue J, the famous Benji. He just opened up here in Tom's River. Let's check it out. Shalom Aleichem, Rab Benji. Shalom Aleichem, tis Chadish. See you in the Michael, koydem kol, from the Michael. We all know you, Benji, from Brooklyn, from the Avenue J store, beautiful store. And now you wanted to give the Lakewooders an opportunity.
Yes, and Tom's River, and Jackson, and Manchester, and Brick. Yes.
Gorgeous store here.
Thank you,
wow. Get back, kick there. See, in Brooklyn, you can't pull this off. You just don't have the space.
In Brooklyn, you have one little aisle, maybe.
One little aisle, maybe. Well, Benji, take us around.
Okay, I'll take you on a brief tour. Not everything is fully set up, but we're almost there. We're gonna have things designed by category. So here you have liqueurs, champagnes, rosés, whites. You have French, Italian, California, some Spanish as well. We have some really nice sale items going around the section
just like
here.
The seasonal items?
So in the interior space, actually, we have Kosher pesach. Items, and those will be seasonal items. So we can have meat boards, we can have chocolates, we can have olive oil from Eretz Yisrael. Lots of interesting options.
Beautiful.
And here we have Eretz Yisrael.
Eretz Yisrael.
Yes.
That's beautiful. They have a whole section just Eretz Yisrael.
Yeah, Baruch Hashem, Baruch Hashem.
Eretz Yisrael lovers.
Here we have spirits on sale, not Kosher pesach, this is year round.
Right, year round.
And the remaining spirits begin over here. And you have under the arches Scotch, bourbon,
I love these
tequila.
arches. Who designed this store for you?
Yes, so Chaim Stern actually.
Chaim Stern.
Yeah, did a great job, and we worked together. And we have something unique that I was very proud of. We were able to design a tasting lounge.
Really?
So we can have like wine classes possibly. We can have winemakers, brand ambassadors. They can come in. They can educate us. We can sample their unique products. We can possibly host corporate events, private events.
No way, that's a chiddush.
It's a small space, but yeah, we're trying.
Let's check it out.
We have to be innovative somehow. We're trying.
Wow, let's check it out. Show me.
Yes. Right now it's empty. We ran out of money, so if you shop, then we can have more money to fill it. Please come.
We need some money to design this place. This is a gorgeous place. So this is going to be like a tasting lounge.
A tasting lounge. We'll have plush leather seating, carpets. You might have a circular wet bar available here.
You're gonna a bar that's gonna make cocktails, drinks.
You can do cocktails. You'll have ice machines. You have a sink, a whole wet bar operating.
Wow, this is a chiddush.
Yes,
they have a tasting lounge. If somebody wants a good cocktail.
People like chidush Torah. We also chidush Barta Simcha. We gotta try something.
Wow. That is a chiddush.
Yes.
I mean, if you're gonna have nice chairs and tables, couches.
Yeah, Britz Shem. And here this will be a temperature-controlled wine room.
Temperature-controlled
wine room. It's
wine
already set up. And Britz Shem. So better vintages, French wines, some of the classic Israeli wines that can improve over time. We'll have aged over here.
All right, Benji. Now you know wherever I go, whether it's Brooklyn, Lakewood, Muncie, wherever I go upstate, I always give a Chaim Perlowitz promotion. Benji, what's the promotion today?
Okay, so the promotion is, aside from fantastic deals on wines, all Kosher pesach spirits are 10% off. Some are even discounted more deeply. But if you mention Chaim Perlowitz, you will get not just Moses vodka, but the twin matching Moses date vodka. To the first 10 people that mention this video, you will get these 2 bottles for free.
Kosher pesach.
Kosher pesach. We're looking forward to seeing you.
Look at that vodka over there. Wow.
The taste of deliverance. Perfect for the gula. Shalema, b'meir v'yimenu.
Amen. Chavir, check it out. Mention the Chaim Perlowitz for a twin vodka. The first 10 people get that when they mention it. Come here for all your Pesach shopping for Daled Koises. Amazing deals, amazing specials. Located on the Route 9. The exact address is
2174 Lakewood Road.
Wow, 2474 Lakewood Road. Benji, we miss you in Brooklyn.
Sure.
The store's still open.
Come back. Still open,
but you're not there.
It's my Bechar. I'm not forgetting my Bechar. The new baby comes, you take care of the baby, but we'll come back to the Bechar.
Okay, check in. We're going to put the phone number on the screen for the people who want to do phone orders. Check in with Benji and have a great Freiliche Yom Tov, Benji.
Looking forward. Yashkar, thank you.